Hey y'all, you know that stuff you always see on YouTube and everywhere else, that people make stuff and it's nailed it or failed it. Well, I made oatmeal this morning for breakfast, and I decided, well, I want to do something a little different than normal, and so I did. I used milk instead of water, and I decided I'd put some cocoa powder in it. Well, here's the result. Boy, that is appetizing. I think I nailed it. One last word, I couldn't eat all mine this morning either. I got about a quarter way through it. In the last couple bites, literally I was gagging. It's nasty, so I don't recommend that y'all try the recipe with milk and cocoa powder. That is so delicious. Ugh. God almighty. We'll see y'all later.